Thanks a lot, guys. Here in the Saints locker room, Chicago. Terron Armstead joins us. Another huge win for you guys, 5-0 without Drew, and really this one was out without Jared and Kamara as well.
Yeah, a great win, great team win. We're just finding a way to get it done, sticking together, going out and executing our game plan.
Teddy Bridgewater said you guys are survivors. You guys kind of feel like that way? You can handle anything that's thrown at you at this point?
We're fighters, competitors. We just try to go out and handle business. And we feel like we got enough. Whatever the group of guys we have in this locker room, we feel like we got enough to win every game.
I just talked to Drew. He told me he's going to practice next week. There's a possibility he may play. The way you guys are playing, and then you welcome Brees back, how dangerous are you going to be?
Well, we're just taking it one day at a time, 1 week at a time. Drew. He's been doing this for a long time. He's the most fierce competitor in the game. And he's gonna work his butt off too. And so if it's a chance he's playing, you might want to count on that.
And finally, this Bears defense is pretty physical, and this offensive line did a great job. But what was the key out there for you guys?
We had a game plan. We figured out, we understood what we needed to do to win a game like this, especially missing some pieces and everything. And everybody just had to go out there and do their job to the best of their ability. And we was able to execute and get the job done.
As always, I appreciate your time.
No problem. Thank you.
Terron Armstead here. Back to you guys.